Okay, so we have to do the sixth sum. So there are only three more questions in this sum and this exercise gets over. So take down sixth sum is y is equals to cos x cube into sine square x power 5. So whenever you see two functions in product, you should immediately think of UV rule or the product rule. Okay, so what is the differentiation of two functions in product where one function I'm naming as u, another function I'm naming as v? It will be u v dash plus v into u dash. So I will do u separately, I'll do v separately, and then I'll apply the formula. Cos x cube, u is equals to cos x cube, u dash is equals to, I don't have formula for cos x cube, I have formula only for cos x. So I'll think in my head that this x cube is actually x. Okay, so cos x differentiation is minus sine x cube, because I've taken x cube to be my x, but this is not actually x, so the sum is not over, so put into, and you have to differentiate this. So what is x cube differentiation? Power rule. 3 will come in the front and decrease the power. 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have found u dash. So minus 3x square sine x cube. Similarly, I can work out v also. V is equals to what? Sine square x to the power 5. So this can be written as sine x power 5 the whole square. So first I'll think that this sine x power 5 is x, because then I'll have formula as x power n. So I'll do that first. Okay, so v dash is equals to x to the power n, formula is n. X, what did I assume x to be? Sine x power 5, and you have to decrease the power in that formula. X power n differentiation is n x to the power n minus 1, so 1. But this inside is not actually x, so you have to differentiate it. Okay, but you don't have formula for sine x power 5, so think that this is x. So sine x formula is cos x, and I'm writing x power 5 because I took what? I took x power 5 to be x, but this is not actually x, so sum is not over, so put into. X power 5 differentiation is 5 x to the power 5 x to the power 4. Okay, so next v dash. Now this is your formula. This is your 11th standard formula. Your formula that you have learnt is sine 2x is equals to 2 sine x cos x, 2 sine x cos x. But instead of x, what do you have there? X power 5. So you have what? 2 sine x power 5 cos x power 5. So what will be the answer here? See, here the angle was xx. So here angle was twice of whatever was here. Yes. So similarly, sine of twice of what is here? X power 5. That's all. So this formula you can write. This is one formula. So I'll write that formula for this part, which is sine 2x power 5 into what? I didn't have place. Okay, I'll think that as division then. Okay, I'll not mark. So this part, okay, this is your one form. This is one formula, okay? This is one formula. So it will be 2, it will be sine 2x power 5 into 5x power 4. I didn't have place, so I wrote it down. V dash equal to 5x power 4 into sine 2x power 5. But sum is not over. I just made my u dash and v dash ready. I have to do now what? Y dash. What is y dash? For uv differentiation is u v dash plus v u dash. So what is my u? Cos x cube u v dash into v dash u v dash plus v. What is my v? What is my v? Sine square x power 5. V into u dash. I don't have space, so I'll write it down. Minus 3x square sine x cube. So y dash equal to 5x power 4 into cos x cube into sine 2x power 5 minus 3x square sine square x power 5 into sine x cube. This is your answer. Y dash is equals to 5x power 4 into cos x cube into sine 2x to the power 5 minus 3x square sine square x power 5 into sine x cube. Correct. Now take down next question. Your next 7th question. Exercise 5.2, 7th question. Y is equals to 2 root cot x square. Again, I'll do y dash. Now y dash, how will you do? 2 is attached to a function. So put 2 into. You cannot write 0 because 2 is attached to the function. So it will come as multiplication. Now this function I have to differentiate. How will I differentiate? I don't have any formula for this. So let me assume cot x square as x. So I'll apply that formula. If it is root x, what is the formula I have given you? 1 by 2 root x. What is my x that I have taken here? Cot x square, but that is not actually x, so you have to differentiate this. How will you differentiate that? Cot x square differentiation will be minus cosecant square. What is my x that I've taken here? X square, but is that is not actually x, so put into. X square differentiation is 2x. So this 2 I can cut. Y dash is equals to minus, okay, cot, okay, minus cosecant square x square into 2x by root cot x square. Now some people will be thinking, how did I do root x differentiation like that? So I'll tell for those people. Differentiation of root x, how will you do? See, root x means I can write to the power half. So this you should just apply what? I'm just writing the question in another way. Root can be written as power half. So this is my x to the power n. So that formula you should apply. N into x, n minus 1, half minus 1. Half minus 1 is what? Minus half. So this is the power is negative, so if I take it down it becomes positive power, and I already told you that half, whenever you see like this, you can put root x. So that's why I directly wrote here. I wrote here. Okay, I took cot x square to be x, so I wrote directly here. Okay. So you can bring that 2x in the front. So it becomes minus 2x into cosecant square x square by root cot x square. So this is your final answer. Now take down the last sum in this exercise, which is cos root x. Cos root x. So they have given y is equals to cos root x, and the question is find the derivative or differentiate with respect to x. So y dash, dy by dx, f dash of x, all are same only. So cos root x. So I'm no formula. So again the same thing for each sum you should apply. That you should think that this is x. If this is x, then what is the formula for cos x? Minus sine, but I've taken x to be root x, so I'll write that, but that is not actually x, so put into root x differentiation. Just now I told you, half root x. Y dash equal to minus sine root x by 2 root x. So this is your final answer.